Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of a 1966 Mustang. This comes from Glenn's Classic Mustang in Rome, Texas. Thank you, Glenn, for your business from Texas. And Glenn has requested the modern internal FM conversion, which we've done. It also comes with a huge increase in output power because he opted to go with a new harness for the increased output power. So let's go ahead and turn it on. One thing I'll say is that the 8-track sounds a bit dull. It could really use a new playback head. I called the customer and I'm awaiting his response. Anyway, let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I get.
Raise the debt ceiling for a short period of time.
And while we have it on talk radio, we're going to demonstrate our balance and fader functions.
But at the same time, we're pushing
the
through
original left-right balance control, all the way left,
necessary changes to the
all the way right,
trajectory of spending going
left,
forward. Brother,
right.
we're at a $31.7
center
trillion.
Okay, now we're going to adjust the virtual front rear fader.
Ground shield and won't be able to dig out of it. So we don't change this trajectory right now. We're
try
gonna,
it again.
We're going to ultimately end the
fader.
There we go.
That's why we're pushing this through.
All the way front,
and we use
all the
that
way
as
rear,
leverage to get those
front,
votes. And I think the president, the ball's in his court now.
I agree, and obviously the president.
Fader set.
Alrighty, let's switch over to FM, which we do by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We'll just go down the dial. Okay, we don't need this stuff anymore.
Hold on, I have to look that up. If you pour peroxide. At the Cannes Film Festival.
Testosterone after turning 40.
The first time.
Or Mississippi Valley.
Lose everything.
Yes, is tomorrow.
Vamos a calmarle ese dolor mientras algo pasajero.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
Pero es necesario que vaya a nuestra oficina después.
When isn't true. Such a long Alice, you're the girl. Down, down, girl. Everybody love is right. Tweedledee. Down, 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 right. Understand. You don't know. Down, down.
Ready? Pull the tape out, radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light comes on. And it does. It puts out such a soft green glow that you probably couldn't see it on the camera, but it's working. And so she's almost ready to go back. Well, she's ready to go back if the customer is okay with the sound of the 8-track. It's a bit dull. It doesn't sound terribly bad with a relatively new tape, but on older tapes it's probably going to sound really dull. So I would highly recommend replacing the 8-track head. So I'm awaiting a call from the customer on that. And until then, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the work order is designed to answer all your questions as you're going through it and filling it out, including options for turnaround time. So please do please do download and print the work order, and then that way, if you still want to call me just to make friends and make sure you can trust me, that's perfectly fine. But as far as my prices and options and all that stuff, please get that information from the work order before calling me. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, my friends at Glenn's Classic Mustang, for your business all the way from Texas, and we'll see you guys next time.